Hey guys, my name is Aroon Kumar and welcome back in another video. In today's video, we are just going to unbox one more gadget for this channel, which is a Rode Wireless Go microphone. This microphone is one of the best selling in the market at the moment. Before, I was using this M1 Boya microphone, which is cheap, quite good quality, and I make most of my videos with the help of this microphone. But if you want to improve your video content, you need a very good microphone, and Rode is specialized in that one. There is a lots of YouTubers, video makers, they are using the Rode microphones. Either it's a wire one or wireless, but I prefer the wireless technology, so I got this one. It comes with the receiver and transmitter. It cost me around 750 dirhams from the local UAE market. If you want to buy, you can visit the Dubai. There's a lots of shops, those who are selling this one. But if you want to buy online, it will cost you around 850 to 899 dirhams, depend on the website and also depend on the sellers. So without wasting any time, let's just do the unboxing of this one. So guys, this is the packaging of the Rode Wireless Go microphone, and these are the contents which inside the box. So we will just do the unboxing. Let's just open the box first. The packaging is quite good, it's sealed. So from here we just need to open this one. So this is the pouch, and there is a transmitter and receiver is inside. So these are the two important things. One is a receiver, which you guys can see on our left side, and one is a transmitter which you can use for the video recording. Comes with the Type-C cable, which is very good. Instead of micro USB, now you have a Type-C which will just give you the fast charging. One more Type-C cable, because there is a two different devices. Clips if you are doing the outdoor shooting to control the wind, sound, and this is the 3.5 to 3.5 mm jack, which you just need to connect in a receiver here, and other side of the 3.5 mm jack will directly go inside the camera. Now let me tell you some few important things about this receiver and the transmitter. First, we will go with the receiver. So this is a power button. This is a connectivity mode, which is a pairing mode, you can say. And this is the dB. Let me explain you what is dB mean. dB will control the noise level of the recording. For example, there is a three different ways of the recording. If you are doing some kind of a whisper, you have to use the like a 30 level dB. If you are doing some kind of a normal conversation, you have to use the 60 level of the dB. And if you are running some kind of an engine, for example, if you are doing some kind of vlogging or something on a bike or in a car, you have to use the 95 dB. So these are the three different levels of the dB which will control the noise of the sound. And this is a 3.5 mm jack, Type-C connectivity, and this is the LED screen. Now let me explain you this transmitter. Microphone, if you are using some kind of a wire microphone, you can connect here if you don't want to use this main microphone of the receiver. Type-C, and this is a power button. This is a clip mode, which you can easily clip on your t-shirt, or if you want to keep in this one inside your pocket, you can use the wire microphone with this one. Now let's just do the pairing of this one. First, we just need to turn on both devices. So it's on. This is a all the information on the screen of the receiver, and this is the transmitter. This is the sound level, this is a dB sound level. How you will control the dB, I already explained you. This is a full, this is a 30 level. Like for example, if you just doing some kind of a whisper, normal voice, if you are doing a conversation, 60, and if you are running some kind of engine, bike or something, 95. So we will just set this one on a 60. This is a signal level. This is a battery timing of the this is the battery timing of the transmitter. This is the battery timing of the receiver, which is RX and TX. Now let's just connect this device, one with the camera and one with myself and just see the difference of the sound quality. Currently I'm using my iPhone, so you can already understand the sound quality of the iPhone. Once I will connect this one with my DSLR, so we will see the difference. Now what I'm doing, I'm just fixing the receiver on the top of the camera. It will go like this, simply on the top. So it will be fixed like this. I'll show you. Now this is a 3.5 mm jack which I need to fix in the camera. 3.5 mm jack here, and other side it's this one. So it fixed. The transmitter is paired. So right now I will just connect this main DSLR camera and we will just see the sound quality. So guys, this Rode Wireless Mogo microphone is right now connected with the DSLR camera. So whatever we are talking at the moment, it's recording on a 30 level of dB. So you can hear the sound quality. Now what I will do, I will just test all the 3 levels of the dB to see the sound quality difference, and you guys have to tell me which sound quality you will prefer, 30, 65, 60 and 95 level. So it will be easy for us to record next video with the new gadget. So I will just increase the level. Now it's connected with the 60 level of the dB. I'm damn sure the sound quality will be totally different. So we will again increase the level of the dB. Now it's connected with the 90 dB. This dB level is mostly used for the outdoor, especially when you are riding or driving a car. So this was the end of the video. I cannot tell you some more things about this one until I will use this one and give my review after 1 or 2 weeks. So this was the normal unboxing and the normal casual review of this wireless Go microphone. After 1 or 2 weeks, once I will use this one, I will tell you some more good quality and bad things about this device. But the most important thing, what I read about this device on a description, the battery timing of this one, it's around 7 hours. Once you will charge these both devices, it will give you easily 7 hours battery backup, and you can easily charge these devices with any kind of a power bank. And this clip is also important for the, like, if you are doing some kind of a outdoor shoots and vlogs, this clip can reduce the background sound easily. So this was the end of the video. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, like, comment and share with your friends, share the knowledge and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. See you.